statewide civil danger. This is a life-threatening situation. This urgent message is being transmitted at the request of the Georgia Emergency Management Agency. Several areas across the state of Georgia have reported large raging radioactive wildfires, causing catastrophic damage to several structures as well as completely destroying neighborhoods and claiming multiple lives. These fires have been reported to be of violet color and are spreading at a highly rapid rate of speed. In addition, there are several eyewitness accounts of a mysterious male figure shrouded in the same violet fires that were reported. After close inspection, authorities have confirmed this male individual to be Blaise. Blaise is a 24-year-old white male, born March 16, 1997, 6 feet tall, weighs 150 pounds with blue eyes and black hair with ultraviolet streaks. He was last seen wearing a violet button-down shirt, a black vest with a violet flame pin on the collar, black trousers, black dress shoes, a black fedora, and black leather fingerless gloves with flames surrounding his hands. Blaise is well known for inundating several areas across the country with fire and high levels of radiation. If you are still in the state of Georgia, leave now or you will face certain